Hello guys, in this video we will know about how to clean your C drive on Windows computer or laptop. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. You may have seen that your C partition always becomes full and your computer starts delaying or processing slowly. So to fix that, we need to fix some things. So let us start. First of all, press down the Windows and R key, and here you can write down temp and enter. These are the temporary files where it will be stored on temp folder. Click here, Ctrl A means select all and delete them all. And here you can continue. And some of the files are not deleting, so click here skip. So now the second thing is, again you can press down the Windows key and R. Right now you have to enter ampersand temp and ampersand. Click enter. Now you can see here there are a number of files which have taken too much space. So again click here, Ctrl A means select all and click here delete. Now there are some files which are not been deleting, so check this box and click skip. Now the third thing, again you have to press down the Windows key and R and write down here prefetch and click here OK. And here you can see, click here continue, and again you will see there are number of files which have taken too much space, and click again Ctrl A means select all and click delete. Now some of files will not be deleted, so skip those files and search here storage. Now you can see here storage settings, click here. Now you will see here there are some storage settings here. You can see storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need. Right now which we have deleted temporary files are ampersand temp or prefetch file. Those files can be deleted automatically if you click here on. So after some time it will be deleted automatically. You don't have to manually delete again and again. Here you can click configure storage sense or run it now. Here you can see it has been, the default is 30 days. 30 days old files will be deleted automatically but you can change it 1 day or you can use never, but I will keep right now here 30 days as default. And you can also delete automatically downloaded files in the download folder. Right now you can see it's shows never. If you want to delete download files, you can use either 1, 14, 30 or 60 days, but here I will keep it never. And the second thing is, here you can see free space. Now you can manually clean up the space by clicking here clean now. It will automatically clean all the temporary files which we have earlier deleted manually. Now you can see that all the temporary files have been deleted. And also you can go to the apps and features, which takes too much of space, and here you can see the list of the apps installed which takes a lot of space, and you can sort by size. And you can see here there are a number of applications which takes too much space. For example this one, and for example I want to takes too much space, I don't need this Avast secure browser. I can uninstall it by clicking here uninstall. Now I can uninstall the browser here, which can clean up now this amount of space. And also you can uninstall other applications which are unnecessary installed on your operating system. So if you want to uninstall, you can from here. Now the uninstall has been completed. Click here OK. Now other things you should also know, that whatever you download or store images, pictures or audio video files in these areas, suppose this document area, downloads, music, pictures, it always stores in the C drive, because these folders are stored in C drive. Whenever you download anything, it will download here. That means you are downloading it on C partition. So you have to keep in mind that you are loading your C drive by downloading. You can change the settings of the download folder. For example, if you are using Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser, you can change the settings of the download here, then go settings, and here you can see downloads. Here you can see that you can change the location of the download folder. For example, if I use this F drive, I can select but right now I will keep as it is. These are the ways how you can clean up your C drive and make your computer faster. Now there's one more thing I will share with you, and that is the command clean manager. Again, you can use the same command win key plus R, and here you can write clean mgr and enter. Here you can see the selected partition is C. Click OK. Here you can see number of files. This is a big file here. Check them all and click OK and delete files. If you can see, here is 217 GB free. If I refresh, it may be larger. It's cleaning right now. I will refresh and you can check by yourself. Now you can see that this cleanup has been completed. Let us see whether C partition has been free or not. You can see first of all it was 217 GB free. Now it's 218 GB free. That means 1 GB has been deleted. This was all about how you can clean up your C partition and make your computer faster. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.